Well, YouTube, we've got another 7.3, and the son of a bitch has another bad glow plug relay, so here's another hard start. We already been trying to crank on her, so. This one's a 99. Sorry I missed the first part of the video. You guys would have enjoyed that. Nope, sir. We have the glow plug relay jumped. It's a 99 model. Come on, baby. Every one of these 7.3s has this damn problem.
I'll get one of the exhaust.
Well, there she is, boys. Son of a bitch finally started.